Hey everyone, Nicholas here, and welcome back to another video on Crippled Tech. This video is gonna be another follow-up video on the new PC that I built, and I'm currently on my laptop looking at the talking points of this video. And yeah, this video will be showing you the performance of the new PC alongside with the comparison with this old laptop right here. And before I show you the graph comparing the performance, I will show you the specs on both of the system, the laptop and the new PC on screen right now. Alright, now that you've seen the performance, comparing with the old system that I used and the system that I use now, you can see that there are a lot of performance increase from the upgrade. Of course, I spent a lot of money as well. But yeah, there is more fine-tuning needed on the PC to increase the performance of the PC, which will be on some future videos as well. And future videos will be on overclocking, maybe overclocking the PC, and I will show you what I do in the BIOS settings as well. And of course, I'm still running Windows 10 on the new PC, but I've already upgraded to Windows 11 on this laptop you see right here. And I will do another video, of course, when I upgrade my PC to Windows 11. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share it to all over social media so we can grow our community. And of course, subscribe for more tech content coming at you real soon. And if you have any thoughts on tips and tricks that I can do in the BIOS or when I overclock, you can write it down in the comment section down below. And I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.